Solutions for these questions will be given in Bahasa Melayu as well as English, right? Penyelesaian kepada soalan yang kita akan bincang ni akan diberi dalam bahasa Melayu dan juga bahasa Inggeris. Contohnya, kalau kita ambil soalan pertama daripada latihan yang kamu dah cuba tadi, ya, 1/2 tambah 1/2. Ini samalah dengan kalau kita kira secara biasa, berarti 1 tambah 1 2, ini bagi dengan 2, ataupun setengah dengan setengah dapat 1 kan. Ini cara biasa. Tetapi saya nak kamu juga memikirkan bahawa penyelesaian kepada satu masalah itu ada pelbagai. Jadi siapa yang berfikir ni, dia boleh jawab soalan dalam pelbagai-bagai cara, tak semestinya satu cara, right? So this is a solution for number 1, which is simple. If you do by calculation, then this is what you get. And but as a person who can think, you should be able to give answers in different ways, not just through calculations, but also through, for example, giving diagrams. Okay, saya bagi kamu peluang cuba, ya. I give you time to try. Say a few minutes, discuss with your friends. How do you represent 1/2 plus 1/2? Okay, you can just pause your video and you try, and after which you can check with me. Anda boleh pause video dan cuba, kemudian boleh semak dengan saya. Okey, jadi dalam program ni saya bagi ruang, walaupun kamu dah cuba dalam e-learning, tetapi saya bagi ruang juga kamu mencuba lagi, dan sambil kamu mencuba, kamu boleh bincang dengan rakan-rakan di sebelah, ya. I give you chance for you to discuss with your friend, even though you have already solved the problem, you have checked from the answers in the e-learning, but of course you can always discuss with your friends, and you can pause the video and we can check together. Okay, give you time, pause the video, try, and we'll check. Okay, so if you are done, we can check. So this is one way of presenting what is 1/2, right? You can use a very simple diagram, which is a square, right? Square. You can divide the square into 2 parts. Bagikan segi 4 ni kepada 2 bahagian. This is 1/2. Ini 1/2. This is another 1/2. Ini lagi satu lagi 1/2. What is meaning 1/2? It means that 1 part out of 2 parts. 1, 2. Apakah maksud 1/2? Maksudnya 1 bahagian daripada 2 bahagian. Also, we can look at 1/2 as half. Boleh juga dilihat 1/2 ini sebagai separuh. Ini separuh, ini separuh, right? So it becomes 1 whole. Jadi separuh dengan separuh dapat 1. Ya. Ini satu cara menunjukkan bahawa setengah dengan setengah dapatlah 1. Ya. Half plus half, you get 1 whole, right? And you can represent in many ways. You can represent using triangle, you can represent using a circle, right? So there are several ways of representing half, right? Alright, this is the answer for number 1. Okay, we can go on to number 2, which is given in the question as you have tried before. 1/4. This is number 2, where you have 1/4 plus 1/2. Alright, so if you have done, you might multiply this by 2, and you multiply this by 2 so that you form an equivalent fraction. Okay, jadi apa yang telah kamu buat, mungkin kamu telah kali dengan 2, supaya 2 kali 2 4, sebab sini ada 4 ya. So kalau kali 2 di bawah kena kali 2 di atas, jadi kita dapat 1/4 tambah dengan 2/4 ya. Okey, ini akan dapat 1 tambah 2 dapat 3/4. Okay, so alright, this is 1/4 plus 1/2, but you want to change 1/2 into an equivalent fraction, which is easy, to make it simple for you to add to 1/4. So it's you times by 2 and you times here by 2, you get 1/2. 1 times 2 you get 2, 2 times 2 4. Okay. Alright, that is 3/4. That is when you solve using calculation. Ini bila kita selesaikan menggunakan pengiraan. Okey, kalau kita menggunakan satu rajah sekarang, tadi sebab rajah segi 4, sekarang segi 4 sama. Tapi sekarang saya nak gunakan segi 4 tepat. Okay, rectangle, right? I can divide that into half. Sorry. I can divide that into 4 parts, okay, easier, 4 parts. Saya bagi kepada 4 bahagian. So, kalau saya kata 1/4, if I say 1/4, this is 1/4, it can be here 1/4, here also 1/4, here, equal to 1/4. Semua ni 1/4. 1/4 maksudnya 1 bahagian daripada 4 bahagian. 1 part out of 4 parts, right? Now you see now 1/4 plus 2/4, so I'm going to add up this one as well. This is another 1/4, and this is also another 1/4. Ini 1 bahagian daripada 4 bahagian, sebab saya nak 2/4. 1/4 tambah dengan 2/4, ni 2/4, okay? Jadi saya akan dapat sini berapa perempat semua? Right, good. 1, 2, 3. So all together 3/4. So this is how you represent 3/4. The whole thing, this shaded portion is 3/4. Bahagian yang berlarai itu ialah 3/4. Right, boleh salin ni ya. And then kamu pause ya. Pause dulu, salin. Okay, bila kamu salin tu kamu pause, dan sekarang kita boleh try. The next question is about another fraction. I am giving you this simple fraction, right? Okay, you have number 3 here, which is 3/4 minus 1/4. This is 1/2, yeah? 1/2 minus 1/4, okay? 1/2 minus 1/4. Okay, you can try and you pause, you try. Kamu boleh pause video dan cuba. Kemudian kita semak sama-sama, ya? So ingat, dalam program ni saya akan sentiasa ulang beritahu kamu supaya saya bagi satu soalan misalnya, kamu pause dan cuba, okay? Jangan terus tunggu menyalin apa yang saya akan beri jawapan nanti. Ya? Every time you try to pause the question, your video to solve the problems, and later on check with me, okay? Don't just copy down whatever I'll be giving you. You know, this is not good, because you have to try, right? Now, this is 1/2 minus 1/4 as usual. Okay, we can check now. You change that to equivalent fraction. Equivalent fraction means a fraction which is equal to this fraction 1/2. So what is the equivalent fraction of 1/2? is 2 times 2, 4, and multiply this by 2 again. Here you get 1 times 2, 2 over 2 times 2, 4, and this is what? Minus 1 over 4, so minus 1 over 4. So you get 2 minus 1 equals to 1, 1 over 4. And this is through calculation. Ini kita kira dengan menggunakan pengiraan. So simple, right? Very simple. Now, of course, if you do by diagram, then you can. Okay, now this time I'll draw, say, a circle, right? A circle. You can draw better, and I divide into 4 parts. Right? This circle divided into 4 parts, and so this is 2 over 4. 2 over 4 means it's 2 over 4. 2 parts out of 4 parts. Then I'll cancel off for 1 over 4. That means I'll take out 1 part out of 4 parts. So saya lukis bulatan bagi pada 4 bahagian. Sebab sini pun 4 bahagian, sini pun 4 bahagian. Yang bawah tu menunjukkan jumlah bahagian. Jadi kalau 2 per 4, 2 bahagian daripada jumlah bahagian 4. The denominator shows that the total number of parts. So if 2 over 4 means 2 parts out of 4 parts. Okay? So 2 parts out of 2 or 4 parts. I take out 1 over 4. So I will just cancel off 1 over 4. Or I can cancel off this here. So saya akan potong 1 per 4. 1 bahagian dan per bahagian. Jadi yang tinggal ialah hanya 1 per 4. Okay? So itulah jawapan dia 1 per 4. Kalau kita buat cara calculation. Dan kalau kita tunjuk diagram, inilah cara dia. Okay? Right. Boleh salin? Pause video dan kamu boleh salin. Alright, we go on to number 4 now. Okay? So number 4 now, you have questions 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. Okay, and this is very simple because all this is 4 parts, this is also 4 parts. So 3 minus 1, 3 parts minus 1 part, that will be 2 parts. But out of 4 parts, ini senang sebab 3 bahagian daripada 4 bahagian, 1 bahagian pun daripada 4 bahagian yang sama. Kita boleh lukis satu aja juga. Kalau kita lukis pada square sekali lagi, so you will find that you have a square here divided into 4 parts. See, the denominator shows the total number of parts. So you have to draw the 4 parts. You have the denominator 2. If you have 2 here, 2 here, then you draw 2 parts. With 5 here, 5 here, then you draw 5 parts. Okay. So it is 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So I can take 3 parts. This is 3 parts. 1, 2, 3 parts. Now I take out 1 over 4, 1 part. Saya buang 1 per 4. Mana-mana pun boleh. Saya boleh buang ini boleh. Saya nak buang ini boleh. Nak buang ini boleh. So what remains is 2 parts. 1, 2. 2 parts. So that's why 2 parts out of 4 parts. We are considering the 4 parts. The total number of parts is 4 parts. Kita ambil kira sini di dalam cara yang diberi ialah jumlah bahagian adalah 4 bahagian. Ya. Okay. Jadi kamu boleh buat berbagai-bagai cara lah. This is one way. You can also use a square, or a square, rectangle, circle, or strip, right? Bolehlah guna apa saja, wakilkan, right? Ini bincangan kawan, just a bincang kawan. Okay, copy. You pause and copy down. You pause. Remember, pause dan salin, ya. Okay, let's go to number 5 now. Number 5, you have 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Very simple question, right? So 3 over 4 minus 1 over 4. So 3 parts out of 4 parts. And you minus 1 over 4. 3 bahagian 4 bahagian. Tolaklah 1 bahagian 4 bahagian. Sekali lagi senang. 3 tolak 1 dapat 2. Okay. Jadi kita akan dapati, okay, kita dah selesai sebenarnya nombor 4. Sekarang kita buat nombor 5 kan. Ini bukan lagi nombor 4. Sebenarnya kita dah buat. Ini dah kita buat. Kita sekarang pergi guna nombor 5. We go to number 4, number 5. 3 over 4 plus 1 over 4. Of course, this is also very simple, right? 3 bahagian dan 4 bahagian tambah dengan 1 bahagian 4 bahagian. 3 parts out of 4 parts plus 1 part out of 4 parts. So you have 3 plus 1 equal to 4. 4 over 4 equals to 1. By using a diagram, gunakan rajah. Kita boleh ambil rajah macam ni, ya. Kita bagi pada 4 bahagian, divide to 4 parts, okay? Divide to 4 parts. So this 3 part, 1, 2, 3. This is 3 part, okay? 3 over 4. And this is plus 1 over 4. So you have altogether 1 whole. This is 1 whole. Jadi 3 per 4. Ini 3 bahagian. 1, 2, 3. Tambah lagi 1 bahagian. 1 per 4. Jadi kita dapat 4 per 4. Right. Pause and copy down. You may want to draw a different diagram from what I have drawn. Kamu boleh pause dan lukis rajah ni, atau kamu nak lukis rajah yang berbeza dengan saya. Okay, dan nak warnakan. Pulang pada kamu, ya. Pause dan copy down this, right? You can copy down this first, and then later on you can do a different diagram from what I have drawn. Okay, boleh salin ini dulu. Dan apabila kamu dah siap, kamu boleh fikirkan diagram yang lain, ya? Tapi lukis dulu diagram saya. Tapi pause, ya. So we go number 6. Number 6 is 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. I'm giving you simple fraction, right? Now here you have 3 over 4 minus 1 over 2. So likewise, you multiply this by 2. That is what you have done in school. You change that to equivalent fraction, and then here multiply by 2. So you get 3 over 4 minus 1 times 2. 2 over what? Over? Yes, 4. 2 times 2, 4. So you have 3 minus 2, 1. 1 over 4. Kamu 3 per 4 tolak 1 per 2, tapi kita nak tukarkan kepada pecahan setara. So kita ada sini 2, kena jadikan 4 juga. Di sini 4 bahagian. 4 ni 4 bahagian, jumlah 4 bahagian. So kali dengan 2, 2 kali 2. Ini pun kena kali dengan 2. Jadi 3 per 4, 3 per 4. Tolak dengan 1 kali 2, 2. 2 kali 2, 4. Jadi 2 per 4, jadi 1 per 4. Okay, that's the solution. Of course, you can draw a diagram. You can draw each one. You can draw just the diagram which I drew just now. Boleh lukis sekali lagi 4 bahagian. Semua ni 4 bahagian. Kita lukis bahagi 4. Seperti yang saya katakan, kalau sini 4, 4 bahagian. Kalau sini 5, di sini 5, kita buat 5 bahagian. It depends on the denominator. The denominator will represent the total number of parts. Yang bawah ni, pembawah ni, ia akan mewakili bilangan ataupun jumlah bahagian. Okay. So here is 3 over 4. 3 over 4. 1, 2, 3. And minus 2 over 4. So I will just cancel off this 2 parts. Can cancel off this part, 2 parts. So what remains is this one, which is 1 over 4. Okay. Now, my question is, I would like you to think from this problem. Say, okay. Before that, you just pause and copy down. And after you have copied down, I want to ask you something so that you can so that it will help you to think, right? Okay, copy down this first. Pause and copy down. Okay, tolong salin soalan diagram ni dan sementara pause. Kemudian saya nak tanya satu. Okay, saya kira kamu dah selesaikan dan now what I'm trying to ask is that 3/4 minus 2/4. What is actually 2/4? What it means by 2/4? The whole diagram. What does it mean by saying it's 2/4? What is another word or another way of explaining 2/4 in this case? In this diagram, what is another way of explaining 2/4? Apakah cara lain untuk menerangkan 2/4 ni, ataupun cara lain nak menyatakan 2/4 ni? 2/4 dengan semua rajah. Apakah cara lain? Okey, itulah saya nak tahu. Siapa boleh beritahu? Anybody? Anybody knows how to explain in another way? All right, how to state in another way the meaning of 2/4 in this case, right? Okay, 2/4 is 2 parts of altogether 4 parts, isn't it? 2/4 ni adalah 2 bahagian daripada semua bahagian. Jadi boleh tak kita kata jadi semaksud saya, jadi kalau saya ambil diagram ni balik, ini 3/4, 3/4. This is 3/4, so 3/4 minus 2/4. Okay, think what can you say about 2/4? Can you say in a different way 2/4 is equals to what? Boleh tak kamu nyatakan dalam cara lain yang 2/4? Okay, kalau saya cancel dulu ni, buang 2/4. Dan kalau saya bagi ni kepada 2 bahagian, jadi satu bahagian, ini sama panjang kan? Jadi kamu nampak sini ada 4 bahagian. Sini berapa bahagian? Ya, 2 bahagian. You see this one is divided into 4 parts, but the bottom one is divided into 2 parts, and this part and this part are equal in size, right? So what can you say? 2/4 equals to what actually? Right, equals to 1/2. This is one part, 1/2. If you see this fraction at the bottom, or this diagram at the bottom, that shows that it divides itself into 2 parts. Therefore, this part is 1/2. Okay, tengok bahagian di bawah ni, dia dibagi kepada 2 bahagian. Jadi kita boleh katakan yang 2/4 ini yang bersamaan dengan saiz di bawah ni sebagai 1/2. Betul tak? Balik pun tadi ni, itulah sebabnya sini 1/2. Tapi apabila kita nak tukar kepada pecahan setara, we multiply by 2. So that the 2 fractions are divided into 2 parts for convenience of when you do subtraction. So, untuk senang kita menolak, buat operasi tolak. Jadi sebenarnya kita bagi ini kepada 2 bahagian, 1/2. Mula-mula macam ni, 1/2. Susah kalau kita tolak 3/4, nak tolak 1/2. Kecuali kamu boleh bayangkan inilah 1/2. Jadi apa kita buat? Kita tukar ni kepada equivalent fraction. 2 times 4, so 4 parts. So we are comparing the same portion. The total number of parts are equal. That's why you convert that to equivalent fraction. Sebab itu kita tukar kepada pecahan pecahan setara, ya. Senang kita nak melihatnya. Jadi 34 tolak 24, 34 tolak 24, tinggal 1/4. Dan what actually I was trying to explain is that 1/2 is 1 part out of 2 parts. Okay, that means you are looking at the diagram in 2 parts. Here, from here, 1/2 to 2/4. This one you're looking to 2 parts, diagram into 2 parts. This one you're looking at diagram into 4 parts, right? Alright. 1/2 ni kita melihat rajah ni kepada 2 bahagian. Bila tukar kepada 2/4 dengan mendarab dengan 2 di atas, kita melihat pecahan ni 1/2 ni kepada 2/4, iaitu dalam bentuk 4 bahagian. Itu maksudnya pecahan setara. It's not just about multiplying something to be equal to something. Ini bukan hanya untuk darab, untuk sama dengan ini. Tujuannya ialah untuk memudahkan kita buat pengiraan. So this is just an operation that shows that you are dividing 1/2, 1 part out of 2 parts into 2 parts out of 4 parts, which are equal. These two are equal. Kita sebenarnya nak mengubahkan satu pecahan ni kepada satu pecahan yang sama nilai. Dan sini dibagi 1/2 bahagian, sini 2/4 bahagian. Tapi keduanya sama. Tengok, sama kan? Same, they are the same size. 4 and 1/2, they are same size. Okay? Pause and copy down.